water is boiling here. So we grew what we thought was going to be a year's worth of carrots. I don't think this is going to be a year's worth of carrots. But we were having a storage issue because they started getting a little soft in the basement, and I didn't want to lose any of them. So I have just decided that we were going to preserve them in a way that we knew we were guaranteed to have them for up to a year. And so we are going to blanch them and put them in the and ice bath them and then put them in the freezer. This way we know that the ones that we have will be safe and we can use them. They won't be for fresh eating, but we can put them in soups and like in the crock pot with roasts and things like that. So cooked carrots are better than no carrots in my opinion. So here we go. Just a minute, Bear. Okay, not a good idea. Don't do it that way. That's a bad way. Oh, I'm gonna burn myself. How many attempts does it take? My goal is to get a round in the freezer or in the hot water, and then when these are done to strain them right over top of whatever's left in this pot. So I only have to boil one pot of water. But maybe it won't work. We'll see. Let's see what we can do. I would say that this is getting pretty close here. I've got the heat up to 300. This is the line that it started at. So I think we're down to like a third left. It's gotten significantly darker, but this is supposed to be ketchup and it's still too runny. So I'm gonna let this go for like another hour and we'll check it again. And hopefully by then we'll be at a point where we can can it. Our ketchup is finally ready. It has simmered for almost 2 full days. So I've got my jars out here. I talked to Greg and decided that we're going to do pint jars and half pint jars. Everything that I looked up online said that once you can the ketchup, well, canning it preserves it for a significantly longer period of time, but once you open the jars, they're only good in the refrigerator for 3 weeks. So some recipes that we have require more ketchup, so we'll open a larger jar for that. Right now, it's pretty thick. And you can see the line here. This is where it started out at. So we're down to about a quarter concentration, and I did just turn this off. So we're gonna get it into the jars and into the water bath canner for 15 minutes. So I'll show you that process.
Thank you.